Good morning, students, and in our mother tongue Suprabhat, and in perhaps Sastri Punjabi language it is Sastri Akal. So, dear students, all the best and do your best. The first physics chapter's name is electric charge and electric field. The name is electric charge and electric charge and electric field. If I talk you in Hindi it is called electric charge is called Vidyut Aves and electric field is called Vidyut Kshetra. There are two topic we have to study about. First of all, we have to consider from where it has got achieved. The first phase is electrostatics and the second phase is electricity. First phase is electrostatics and second phase is electricity. So it is electrostatics and it is electricity. It is electrostatics and it is electricity. In Hindi, when we consider, there are two names. First one is स्थिर वैद्युतिकी. Electrostatics stands to स्थिर वैद्युतिकी and electricity tends to गतीय वैद्युतिकी और गतिमान वैद्युतिकी. First one is स्थिर वैद्युतिकी and second one is गतिमान या गतीय वैद्युतिकी. So we have to consider all of them. First one is स्थिर वैद्युतिकी and second one is गतिमान वैद्युतिकी. Then first of all we have to consider electrostatics. Electrostatics means charges. Electrostatics means charge at rest. First one is charges at rest and second one is charge at motion. But charges at rest it is called electrostatics and charge at motion it is called electricity. And the basic difference between are these like that, in which we consider electrostatics means charges at rest and it may be considered inside the surface of the insulator, while in electrostatics it is defined as the charge is over the surface of the conductor. Over the surface of the conductor electricity and inside the surface of the insulator is electrostatic. So as I write, it is considered in case of electrostatics charge to be inside the insulator surface, inside the insulator, or you can consider it at the inside surface of the insulator, while in the electricity charge at the motion, but charge is considered as the over of the surface of the conductor. Now we have to consider, as we read in electrostatics and electricity, there are in both of the case there are charges. So the phenomena tends to gain. What does mean by charge? Charge, or it is also called electric charge. So electric charge of a body is that property due to which electric charge, or you can say charge, is that property of a body due to which body attracts small bits of a paper, dry hair and pithole etc. That is called the electric charge. Electric charge is that property of body due to which body tends to attract small bits of a paper, dry hair and pithole etc. As I told you about the electric charge of a body is that property due to which body attracts small bits of a paper and dry hair and pithole etc. Means electric charge is the property of a body, not a specific quantity through which you can define. It is the property, not a, so It is the property of a body due to which body tends to get attracts, or you can say it is also can repel. It may be considered small bits of paper, dry hair and pith balls. And it was discovered firstly Unionian scientist which on a rod of a amber, means it was discovered first of all on Unionian scientist which was a philosopher on a rod of amber. So as I told you, this property was first seen by Unionian philosopher on a rod of amber. Now you have to consider about the polarity of charges. There you have to consider polarity of charge two types. First one is positive and second one is negative. First one is positive and second one is polarity of charges. It is also called in Hindi, it is also called आवेशों की ध्रुवता. As you studied about plus minus pole, north south pole, same here we consider here positive pole, negative pole. Positive tends to positive charge and negative charge. So it was firstly discovered by the Benjamin Franklin, and two types of polarity. First one is positive polarity and second one is negative polarity. Positive polarity and negative polarity. Positive polarity and negative polarity. So dear students, you have studied about the electric charges and electric field chapters name, and after that electrostatics and electricity, about charges at rest, charges at motion, and charge definition, property of a body due to which a body tends to gain attracts.